Modern Age. The early period of the modern age was characterized by the most important cultural and scientific changes, such as humanism, which is the philosophical focus on humans, their agency, and their potential. The Renaissance started flourishing, with the goal of reviving classical antiquities values and surpassing its achievements. The Renaissance, especially the Italian Renaissance, is arguably the period with the most famous and impactful artists, scientists, and philosophers in history, with figures like Da Vinci, Michelangelo, Machiavelli, Donatello, Botticelli, Galileo Galilei, Shakespeare, Caravaggio, Christopher Columbus, etc. After the Renaissance, Protestantism started with Martin Luther and his 95 Theses. The scientific revolution also happened, where the basis for modern science has been laid thanks to the works of figures like Isaac Newton, Copernicus, and Descartes. After the scientific revolution, the Age of Enlightenment came, which was an intellectual and philosophical movement that featured a range of social ideas centered on the value of knowledge learned by way of rationalism and political ideals such as natural law, liberty and progress, toleration and fraternity, constitutional government, and the formal separation of church and state. The early modern age also saw the Age of Discovery, where the Europeans, mainly the Spanish and Portuguese, started trying to find new trade routes, ending up with the discovery of the Americas and its subsequent colonization. We had the first industrial revolution, which was a period of global transition of the human economy towards more widespread, efficient, and stable manufacturing processes thanks to the use of automated machines and the spread of steam and water power. Inspired by the American Revolution and the French Revolution, the Age of Revolution started, which is a period where most of the nations revolted and passed from absolutist monarchies to representative governments with a constitution. A second industrial revolution happened, since previously there was a slowdown in important innovations. This time we discovered things like standardization, mass production, telegraph and railroad networks, gas and water supply, sewage systems, which had earlier been limited to a few select cities, electrical power, and telephones. After that, the two world wars happened, and we entered the information age, which some refer to as the Third Industrial Revolution, with the computer, internet, artificial intelligence, robots, etc. The period after World War II is called contemporary history.